In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a vapor canister vent solenoid on a Nissan Maxima. This is located on the vapor canister behind the fuel tank. Let's get started. We're going to make our way under the vehicle and below the exhaust. Locate these brackets. There are 2 on each side, held down by 4 13mm bolts. We're going to remove these first. Break them loose. Do the same for the other side. And hold it up when you remove the last bolt. Now we'll do the same for our front bracket. And again, hold it up when you remove the last bolt. Set these aside. Now we're going to move on to our exhaust. On the front pipe, we're going to find 2 14mm nuts. We're going to go ahead and break those free and remove them. Now separate your exhaust, pull each end out. And set them aside. Now behind the rear subframe, we're going to locate our muffler joints that connect to our mid pipe. These are 14mm in our case. If yours are extremely corroded, you could also remove the exhaust from the hangers as one whole unit. Now repeat this for the other muffler. Now we'll remove our hardware and separate the muffler. Set it aside. Before we separate our exhaust from our hangers, we're going to ensure our mid pipe clears our front pipe. So just pull it forward and in front. Right above the mid pipe, we are going to locate our exhaust hanger and its 2 bolts. We're going to go ahead and remove those as well. These are 2 13mm. Now separate the hanger from the subframe and set it aside. We're going to go back to the front of the vehicle where the mid pipe meets the front pipe and place a pull jack to support the exhaust up. Hold the back portion of the exhaust up while you do this. Do the same for the other side. Now slowly lower and remove your exhaust. Set it aside. With our exhaust out of the way, we have access to our vapor vent solenoid on the vapor canister. We're going to start off by removing this lower hose by pulling it back and off. And set it aside. We're going to twist the entire unit counterclockwise and pull it away from the canister as well. So grab it and twist and pull it out. We have to work it free. We're going to angle the connector down so we have access to our tab. Using some long needle nose pliers, we're going to press down on the tab and slide the connector out. And there it is. We're going to go ahead and lubricate our O-ring with some manufacturer-approved engine oil. This will make installation in the canister easier. I'll put it in place and slide it on. Once it's fully seated, turn clockwise and ensure it locks on this tab. Make sure it's secure. Reinstall your connector and your hose as well. Make sure it's fully seated. If you chose to remove your exhaust to gain better access to these parts, now is the time to reinstall it. We're going to move on to installing our mid pipe on the vehicle. I'm going to slide the front portion on the front pipe and place the rear on a pull jack. Align the studs and insert it. And rest it on the pull jack. We're going to install our hardware on the front pipe and thread it on. And snug it down. Do it in an alternating pattern so you have a flush fitment on both pipes. We're going to torque these down to 33 foot-pounds. Raise up your exhaust. And we're going to slide our rubber hangers over. Now's the time to lower and remove your pull jack. We're going to move on to our rear rubber mount for an exhaust and install it. Hand thread on your hardware. We're going to torque these down to 11 foot-pounds. We'll be replacing our exhaust hardware since ours is broken. So I'm going to insert the new bolts. Now slide the mufflers over and slide them on. And throw on your two nuts. And do the same for the other muffler. We're going to snug all of these down. Let's torque all of these down to 21 foot-pounds. We're going to move on to our underbody pillars. Two in the middle of the vehicle. Put them in place and hand thread on your bolts. There are two on each side. Now snug these down. We're going to torque all four of these down to 21 foot-pounds. Now repeat this for the front bar. And that completes our install. Go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test, clear any codes, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.